Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about GMADA's regional plan for Deravasi. Here this yellow colored area is representing the city of Deravasi. So in this city of Deravasi, if I enlarge it a bit, you will be able to see it properly. You can see these kinds of yellow colored areas, these ones. They represent commercial areas. They can be industries, they can be institutions or areas reserved for markets. If we come here, you will see lots of pink colored areas, small ones and these ones. These pink colored areas, they represent villages. So this is the total area of Deravasi, you can see here, and you can see that this yellow colored area, which is the commercial area, it covers about 15 to 20% of the total area of Deravasi. And this rural area, meaning the area covered by the villages, this covers around, you can say, 5 to 10% of the total area of Deravasi. So if we compare it to Zirakpur, we saw that in our last video. In Zirakpur, a lot of area was the commercial area. So unlike Zirakpur, in Deravasi, there isn't a very big difference between the urban areas percentage and rural areas percentage of the total area of Deravasi. So they are almost similar to each other. You can say one thing about Deravasi, that Deravasi is a little behind Zirakpur and Mohali when it comes to urbanism. Maybe one or two steps behind, not much, but yeah, one thing is very much clear, that Deravasi is also a very good commercial center of Punjab, very important one. Here you are seeing these green colored areas. These green colored areas, they represent the plantation area. It may be agricultural land, or it may be some gardens, some recreational area. Here we are seeing a very light brown colored line passing through Deravasi. This line represents the railway line which is going through Deravasi. Here we are seeing this dotted brown colored line. This represents an expressway which has been proposed by GMADA, and it will be constructed later on. It will be connecting Panchkula in Haryana with Delhi. We are seeing a dotted red line here. This represents a highway proposed by GMADA, and it will be connecting Zirakpur with Delhi. We are seeing another dotted red line. This is also a proposed highway. It will be connecting Mohali with some cities of Punjab. Here also we are seeing a dotted red line passing through Deravasi. This is a highway proposed by Gamada. It will be connecting Mohali with we can say, some city of Haryana. So by the end of 2031, we can say that we will be having one railway line, one expressway, and 3 highways passing through Deravasi. So Deravasi will be very well connected with Delhi and cities of Punjab and Haryana. Here we are seeing these dark blue colored lines. These dark blue colored lines represent rivers and streams flowing through Deravasi. And these big rivers prove very beneficial for the people of Deravasi. They provide very good irrigation facilities to the farmers. I am very sorry friends, because I am coming to the most important point about Deravasi at the end of this presentation. It's these purple colored lines. They cover a lot of area of Deravasi, maybe around 50 to 60% of the total area. These lines go beyond Deravasi towards Haryana. These purple colored lines, they represent free economic zone or special economic zone, you can say. These free economic zones basically are a category of special economic zones. The main characteristic of these free economic zones is that the taxes here are very low, or maybe there aren't any taxes at all. The government regulations are very much relaxed here. It is done with a motive to encourage economic activity. So in Deravasi, in this zone, you can find lots of manufacturing industries. In other cities, wherever there are SEZs, you can find lots of other industries too, like IT. You can find call centers, banks, and many more. So in future, you can expect Deravasi to keep getting more and more industrial.